Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Trout. There he is, I'm on. Woo! Let's go, come on, let's go. Look at the size of this thing. Crush the lipless, bro.
Literally everywhere. There has been an infestation of ladybugs in my cabin, and I don't get how it's possible because it's the dead of winter. It's 18 degrees out right now. I think they're all like hatching in my cabin. Oh, there's one. See ya. Well guys, welcome back and good morning. That is not exactly how I anticipated starting today's video, but I don't know, we've got some sort of weird, crazy infestation of ladybugs that have just decided to hatch since we've been here. But yeah, it's day number 2. Yesterday we really didn't film much because it was, well, to be honest, it was kind of a slow day out in the ice. Here are just some of the highlights that kind of went down.
What just happened?
I don't know, man.
You are in the middle of nowhere. Oh, you're up close with nature. Oh my. Oh my God, oh my God.
But other than that, it was super slow. We're gonna fall flat on our face. We're not gonna start off as heroes, especially on this trip, as we're chasing after a fish that isn't easy to catch. The brook trout's epic. If you guys have never seen a brook trout, if you don't know what it is, stick with this one because it is a very sought after fish, especially here in Maine. And there's really very few places that they're native to and where you can catch them in the United States. I'm pretty sure too, Maine holds 98% of the brook trout population in the United States, which is absolutely insane. That'd be like if all the largemouth basically lived in Texas. So we're getting rigged up right now. We've got the rods ready to go. Definitely have some trial and error we need to go through. Yesterday, we kind of failed in our rigs. We had a lot of line twists and a lot of issues here and there. But now, as you can see, we're a little disorganized, but at least we're rigged and ready to go. So stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy today's epi.
Ice fishing, it's such a process.
Hey gang, what's going on? We're getting rigged up right now, hashtag rigged. Ooh, look at our little bait. What's on today's menu is fresh smelt from the local bait and tackle store. Trout love smelt. These are freshwater smelt. They're not like sea run or like that. They're commonly occurring in this lake that we're fishing here. And it's a bait that I don't normally throw. Growing up in the Midwest, I've always used like bullheads, crappie minnows, things of that nature. So this whole smelt deal is very foreign to me, but it's what these trout like to eat. So that's exactly what we're going to try right now. You can also use night crawlers. Of course, you can jig for them too. I've caught them jigging little lipless crankbaits, which is like the best way to catch them. But this is a good way to cover area, and that's what we're doing. We've got a beautiful stretch of bank right here. And what you see above the ice is also below. It's very chunky, it's very rocky. It's perfect for a trout habitat. Trout like shallower water, and they like to run these rocky banks because this is the same stuff they spawn on. These are trout that spawn in the lake. Normally they go up rivers, but these ones spawn onto the bank. So only a few months ago, these guys were up here making babies. You know anything about making babies, Spence?
You?
Nah. So this rod is ready to go. We're just gonna let it sit. It's gonna do its thing. It's got a minnow on there, ready for action. What will happen is that trout down there will take the bait, pull the line up, rod will set itself, and we'll come over here and reel in a 20-pound brook trout.
They make them that big?
I wish. Okay, on to the next hole. So funny, Alex, obviously who's my videographer, is from Florida, so I don't think he's 100% used to this ice fishing thing. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna initiate him to the ice fishing.
Suck.
You
So
suck,
the ice fishing
man.
culture, you gotta scoop up.
Oh.
See, ice scoops don't exist up here in Maine, so you gotta use your hand. There
Nice.
we go. There we go. One more and then that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like,
Whoa, look at that.
let's get that
Hey,
actually
green
clean.
trooper.
Yeah, that's cold. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, well, you know, it's just a part of the game. How many of you guys who have gone ice fishing forget the scoop at home and have to do the one old hand scoop there? Not great, but definitely conditions you.
You're a trooper though, man. I gotta give it to you. Put it there.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna catch one. Everyone's been initiated. Spence has been initiated. I have, and then now you.
Let's get him.
Is he on? Yeah, I think he's on. Fish! Fish on! Fish on! Oh God. Oh God. Come on. Fish! Okay. Don't lose him. Don't lose him. There we go. There's some brookie. Whew. That was clutch. Oh, better than nothing, man. We needed something. Oh my God.
Buddy!
We did it. We got one. We're not keeping this fish. We'll just put him in the bucket so we can get the camera situated. This is the fish I've been after all day.
You were all the way back there.
Yes. I went full Forrest Gump. There he is. Nice little brookie. Check out the patterns on these guys. They're so cool looking. This is not a mondo, but it's a start. We needed something to wake us up. It's been hours since we had a bite. This guy popped the auto. I ran about 500 yards. I went straight Forrest Gump towards the flag, and it was worth it. Nice little brook trout on the minnow. And he's off. Woo! Nice little brook trout. If he was a little bit bigger, we could have kept him and done a catch and cook, but I think the size limit out here on this lake is 14 inches and above. And it's like, you know, you don't want to keep a pretty fish like that. I'm sure Alex got a really nice up close shot of its colors. It's weird, their backs almost look like a mackerel, almost. You ever seen a mackerel? And their bodies almost like a lake trout, but they're like iridescent pinks and yellows. They're some of the wildest fish you can catch to the ice. It's a beginning to something hopefully good. The snow just started too, so
Start, buddy.
I'm wondering if maybe that's got him going. That's 8 feet of water right there too, Spence.
Really?
It's deep. Well guys, our friend has returned. He's banking on us to catch some fish right now. It's the same exact eagle, I pretty much can guarantee, that picked our trout off the ice yesterday. The only funny thing is we're about 2 miles away from that spot in which he swooped down. I feel like that's gotta be good luck, right? Like that's gotta be a good sign. Like that eagle is parallel to where I'm fishing. Like he is hanging right here waiting for me to bring in a fish. What a beautiful bird, man. They're such cool animals. Fingers crossed, man. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Trout. There he is, I'm on. Fish on, fish on, fish on, baby, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Good one too. Nice fish, nice fish. Nice fish, nice fish, baby. Nice fish. Nice fish, nice brookie. Nice brookie, nice brookie. Nice brookie. Nice brookie. Nice brookie. Nice brookie. Nice brook trout. Nice brook trout. This is a good fish. 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 Wow, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm trembling. I'm trembling right now. Don't come off, it's a good brookie. Don't come off. Don't come off, come on. Come on. It's okay, come on up. Okay, this is scary. I'm pants right now. This is a good brookie. This is a good brook trout. This is a good brook trout. Come on. It's okay. Oh wow, it's a big fish. I don't know how big this brook trout is, but I think it's big. This might be my biggest brook trout ever right here. Okay, it's okay. Don't freak out, don't freak out. It's all good. It's all good, guy. We're gonna get you up. We're gonna unhook you and we're gonna release you. Come on. Oh my goodness. It's a good fish. Oh my God, I think it's fish. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh my God, it's huge. It's a huge brook trout. Oh my God, it's a monster brook trout. It's the biggest freaking brook trout I've ever hooked. Oh my God. 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 Oh my God, this is a huge brook trout. This is the one. This is the one, boys. This is the one. This is the one. This is the brook trout right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, there he is. There he is. It's okay. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take your time. I got all day. Take your time. Take your time. I got all day. I got all day. I got all day. I got all day. Woo! Let's go! Woo! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! That's the brookie we've been after, baby! Look at the size of this fish! Holy sh**! Woo! Yes! Oh my God, I'm freaking out right now. Boys, we did it! We did it! Okay, I'm gonna get a live well made for this guy really quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the boys. I'm like on a covert ops mission right now. Just hang tight with me. There we go. There you go. Okay, I've got Mr. Brookie in the live well. He's just chilling. I'm gonna go get the boys so if we can get some nice shots of this fish. This fish is totally cool. They're very hardy. He's chilling in the live well. I'll be right back. This is insane. Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Let's go! Woo! Come on! Let's look at the size of this thing. Crushed the lipless, bro. Crushed it.
Dude, how did you drill this?
Dude, you don't want to know. It was a mess. We did it,
Oh
boys.
my God!
It's the biggest.
Oh!
Like 4 or 5 pounds, dude.
Dude, that's bigger than that. Wow, dude.
Hey, man.
That's the biggest brook trout I'll ever see.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me grab my composure real quick and clean up my britches because I've just myself. What you see here is...
Hold on, you got a bloody nose.
Do I really?
You got some.
I'm losing my mind right now. Like my pants, got a bloody nose. But hey, it's all good because we have the trophy brook trout. This is the kind of brook trout people dream about. Some people don't even know these trout exist. I mean, this is like unholy. This is a monstrous brook trout.
I don't know,
We're gonna put her on the bump real quick to see how long she is.
You hold the head, I'll pinch the tail.
Okay. And flip around.
Yeah. Put the head that way, yeah.
Oh, wow, that's a big fish.
22-inch brook trout.
It's 23 and a half.
23 and a half.
I just want some pictures.
How we'll weigh them?
Is in the net.
Put them in this net and then we'll weigh the net.
Oh yeah, we've got the scale. So what I didn't do on my last brook trout, which by the way was my biggest prior to this one, is we didn't get any measurements and weight. It's kind of cool to know how big your fish is exactly. So instead of weighing them by the lip like a largemouth or any other fish, we're gonna put them in the net so he's safe and sound, weigh the fish in the net, and then weigh the net later and subtract.
What do you think it is? Oh, Johnny! Ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
In the net.
In the net.
Okay, keep his head down. Ready?
Yep. That's the weight. So we'll have to subtract this.
6 pounds, 6'4", 6'1", 6'0", 6'1". Got the net.
Move the net, thanks. Oh, we're trying to make sure this guy lives. You can legally keep one of these guys over 14.
So the net weighs 0.7,
Holy
0.9,
that's 5.5.
0.9, 0.8. Yeah, so that's 5 pounds.
That's a 5-pound brook trout.
What did it weigh? 6 something?
6'1", 6'4", 6'1".
5
A
pounds.
little over 5 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
That's a fish we've been after. Let's take a look at him real quick.
Look at the red dots! Oh my goodness!
Look at that brook trout. Unreal. Center back. What you just witnessed is the moment, the reason why I've moved to the Northeast. I think a lot of people are still asking me, John, why would you move up north? Why would you put yourself in such a desolate, cold area for fish like that? Dude, put her there, man. More boy, put her to Alex too for documenting this whole thing. Doing this like by yourself is one thing, but then being able to document it for everyone back at home, that's like the real important reason why we're out here, so we can show people that fish like that do exist. That's a unicorn anywhere else. You will never find a fish like that anywhere else in the United States. I can pretty much guarantee that. There's not another state that I know of that produces fish like that. Well, folks, I decided to wrap up today's video here at the camp. I want to start these videos at the camp, and I also want to end them because this is where it all goes down. This is where the rigging happens. This is where we prepare our big trips. This is where we make all of these expeditions happen. And with that being said, I want to show you guys briefly how
we caught that fish. I'm gonna make this very short and concise, but basically what I have here in this rod case is the rod and reel and lure that I used to catch my Mondo brookie on today. Alex, you gonna come help me out? He's diligently cranking out there.
Yeah.
Got some dope edits. How are they looking?
The footage is beautiful.
Really, spicy meatball?
Spicy meatball.
You know, as much as I want to talk about my little buddy, Alex Perrick, I have to give him some credit where credit's due. The bait that I used to catch my biggest brookie ever. Perrick loaded myself and Sam up with a bunch of his lures. His company's called Frostbite. And this right here is a bait. He calls it tantrum. I almost called it transom. Tantrum. Yeah, that's what it's called, right? It's basically like a little lipless crankbait. But the cool thing is you can use lipless crankbaits for ice fishing scenarios, especially on very fired up, aggressive brookies. So this is all we're using. We're using a 31-inch medium light rod, which is like definitely on the more flimsier side, but it's good, I think, in my opinion, especially because you're fishing such shallow water. You want those fish to kind of have some pull. And I'm using 4-pound fluorocarbon, which is like way too light, but I don't know. It's clear water, and we're fishing very up close to the bank. And this is what it ate. This may look like kind of a stupid color, but honestly, in the water, it very much resembles like a little perch, a little crawdad, maybe even another brookie. These guys are cannibals, believe it or not. Brookies will eat brookies. So having something that looks very on point as to what these fish are used to eating, I think is important. And that's it right there. So gotta give thanks to my buddy Alex Perrick for hooking us up with the baits. That's how we made it happen. That fish, in case you're wondering, came out of, I wanna say it was like 6 feet, 5.5 feet, which is really shallow for most ice fishing scenarios. A lot of people ice fish in no less than 10 feet when they're going for crappie, bass, bluegill, all that kind of stuff, pike. But trout love the cold. Brookies prefer water temp between like 44 and like 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So having them school into the ice is not uncommon. They dig that stuff. But this is where I bid farewell to you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just incredible to be able to experience a fish like that and also get the chance to like officially land it. Got very lucky today, but I could not have done it without the help of Spencer and of course Alex, who's there to document the whole experience on footage. But anyway, I'm peacing out, signing out, gonna get ready for yet another day of brookie hunting. I appreciate the view, and as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.